Hey everyone, I'm Melissa Thomas from C2C Stamping and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. Every day for the next 12 days, we are going to celebrate and we're going to craft, and I'm going to give you hopefully some hints and tricks and tips on some product, and hopefully you'll learn some things on the way. For those of you that participated in the 12 Days of Christmas and you got your package, I'll walk you through what to open each day. If you didn't participate, you might have a few of these things in your craft stash and maybe you want to craft along with us. Make sure to leave some comments down below, and if you're not a subscriber, you should subscribe. It's awesome. I try to post a video each week, and I also do monthly craft classes, and I post our team meetings on here too. So join my channel, subscribe, and let's start to play. So let me transition us down real quick, and the rest of the videos will all be just facing down. So let's do this real quick. So we're going to, all right. And I'm just gonna line it up and make sure that we can see everything. So in your stash, you will have gotten a really cute little treat package from me, and it has, many of you know my mom's from the Netherlands, so it has some winter tea from the Netherlands, and then a cute little mini stroopwafel. So I thought these were super cute and a fun little treat to have. So you can enjoy this now. And day one, you'll have one of these, the heavier one, is labeled with a 1. And when you open this up, you will have your stamp set. So the stamp set I'm using for this series was actually a free celebration item, but it was a hostess item. So you had to have like $300 in orders during celebration, and a lot of people don't earn host items during celebration because it's, it's not, there aren't that many customers who have that much in orders. So I thought it was a nice thing to kind of save a bunch of these and use these. They are some fine line art images. It is red rubber, so we'll talk about placement and kind of practicing with them. So if you want to get your stamp set out and you want to put your stickers on, I think that's great. I only have one of my stickers on right now, so I'm actually going to show you guys how I do stickers, because I think that the way I do them is a little different, and I think a little bit easier, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what you think. So I take the sticker sheet and I peel the backing off of the sticker, but it leaves the sticker on the sheet. And normally this is really easy to do, but some days. All right. That's funny. All right, I can do this, I promise. Okay, there we go. So then I have the sticker, and then I take my stamp and I line up the edges and the corners, press down, and then when I peel it off, now my sticker is in place, and it does a pretty accurate job of lining it up. Once you put your sticker down, you can't get it up. So this is sort of a one and done kind of situation when you're placing your stickers. So the first couple of days of our 12 Days of Christmas, we're not going to make cards yet. So what you can do is, ooh, no. Okay, sometimes you can peel a little corner off, but I didn't mean to set that down. All right. So you guys you can play, you can start to stamp this. You can think about, how would you want to use these images? There are no sentiments in this set. So all the projects we're going to make are sentiment free, which isn't the end of the world, but if you have a sentiment set that you think goes along with it, that might be something that you want to look through, you know, your stash and see if you want to grab a sentiment set that you think works with these cards. When I make the cards, they won't have sentiments on them, and, you know, I can always recommend a stamp set, but all right, so this one I'm going to try to line up here because this is probably, yeah. And then most of these already had the backer peeled off, but you saw I peeled that off. You do have to get down to the foam in order to put the sticker on. The sticker won't actually pick up if you've got the backing sheet on your stamp, which is kind of smart. I'm kind of glad they did that because I think that a lot of people would put the sticker on the wrong part then. Definitely think that one might be off, but oh yeah, that's really off. And like I said, once you stick it down, it's really hard to get back up. / impossible without ruining your stamp. I'm just gonna try to adjust it just a little bit. All right, good enough. I actually don't use this rock stamp in any of the samples, so there's the gate, there's this nice potted plant, and then the bench, and then some nice little, just some blooms. So I hope that we have a lot of fun with Scenic Garden, and thanks for tuning in, and that is day one. You can play a little bit if you want. I know it's just the day after Christmas. And so some of you might be catching up later too, and that's okay. But all right, I'll see you later. Thanks for joining. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.